This is Damien with Entrepreneur, and just got your email about sending you a picture of the screencast of what it looks like on my phone. And first and foremost, this is what it looks like on the phone. It's pretty, looks like pretty well laid out and everything, with the menu bar and kind of showing people up front what you're about at the marketing research company, which is great. And then this is your website, how it looks like on a desktop, and it looks good. And we're looking at just seeing what we could do to help you out rank more on Google, because when you're looking for marketing research companies in Wellington and throughout the West Palm area, right now, you're not on the top page, top few pages actually. And so when it comes to the website, aesthetically, it looks great, but there's definitely some things we can add to it and improve so that you can definitely rank on Google, because you want people to find you. And so we're happy to help you with that. Even on the map pack right here, it's called the Google Map Pack. When people are looking for like marketing research companies, which is something that people are looking for in the South Florida area, right currently, you're not coming up yet, but that could change. And so that's just a little quick video of what we could do to maybe help you out. A couple things you can add to the website is adding some more content on the front page to show people, and so that Google can draw more of those keywords people are looking for, so that you can be found quicker and easier online. And then second of all, even coming down to the different things like why do research, and showing people why they need to do their research. You got some really good content, but if you added a little bit more, it would definitely help add your web presence and authority online. So those are a couple things that on your end you can do to really, just get this going for you, so that you can be found, and that people in the area, companies, brands, retailers can find you and use your services as a marketing research company. All right. Hope to talk to you soon.